Hi everyone, my name is Sharon and I'm one of the providers here at Modern Wellness Clinic. Today, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite wellness treatments because of how powerful and versatile it is for your overall health, and that is glutathione. But first, before we get into all of its amazing benefits, I want to explain to you a little bit about how the body works so you have a better understanding of how and why this is such a game changer. When people hear the word detox, they know it's a good thing, but most people don't really understand what that actually means and where it takes place in the body. Simply put, what comes in must come out. And unfortunately, in today's world, we are exposed to a lot of chemicals, pollutants, medications, heavy metals, plastics, and other inflammatory triggers, all of which our body has to process and eliminate. Some of the ways that our body gets rid of these toxins is by either peeing it out, pooping it out, sweating out, or breathing it out. Oh, but it's not that easy. Before you get to that final stage, our body has to take multiple steps to neutralize those toxins and get them into a form that's actually safe to eliminate via those pathways discussed. And that, my friend, is where this beautiful compound shines. When it comes to detoxification, glutathione is considered the master antioxidant. It helps bind and tag toxins and harmful substances, making them more water-soluble so they can be easily eliminated by the body. When the body cannot process or detoxify these free radicals, this is what leads to oxidative stress, cellular damage, inflammation, accelerated aging, and eventually increases your risk for disease processes. This is the main reason that glutathione is used for longevity and has powerful anti-aging benefits. Aside from its amazing antioxidant benefits, glutathione also has immune-boosting properties such as promoting T lymphocyte proliferation, enhances natural killer cell activation, and optimizes antigen-presenting cell function. This strengthens both innate and adaptive immunity, helping your body fight off infections more efficiently. Glutathione also has the unique sense that it also helps regenerate other antioxidants such as vitamin C and vitamin E, both which themselves have another multitude of benefits which we're going to discuss about in another video. Research has shown that it has benefits for fatty liver, infertility, skin health, endocrine and hormonal support, cardiovascular health, Parkinson's, and other neurological diseases. Even integrative oncologists are using glutathione as an adjunct to chemotherapy because it helps reduce kidney damage and neuropathy without reducing its anti-cancer effect of the chemotherapy itself. I'm telling you, simply put, this is truly one of the most powerful compounds we have in wellness medicine. So how can you get glutathione? You can support levels naturally through foods like broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, garlic, onions, avocados, carrots, and fresh fruits, especially berries. You can also take supplements like NAC or N-acetylcysteine, which is a precursor to glutathione. But if you really want to optimize your glutathione levels, I highly recommend injectable glutathione. The reason why is because oral glutathione is easily broken down by your digestive enzymes. And at this time, we don't really have any solid evidence that oral or even liposomal formulations reliably increase plasma glutathione levels. NAC can help, but injectable glutathione gives you the most potent, most direct, and effective boost, which is why it's my preferred approach. So if you're interested in improving your detoxification, immune health, skin glow, longevity, or just overall wellness, glutathione is an amazing option for you to consider. Don't mess around with your health. If you're going to take action, do it right and get it from a very reputable source. You can purchase it from our website or make an appointment with us in person so we can help you pair it with other amazing compounds and formulate a cocktail that's right for you. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our page to stay updated for other future health and wellness content. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.